This is the letter B. It's a big, beautiful, bouncy letter. B is for boy. This brave boy begins a big adventure.
The balloon brings him to a big, beautiful bluebird.
How cute!
A beautiful bird flies beside a busy, buzzing butterfly.
Below, other boys and girls play with a big, bouncy ball. The boy lands and begins to bounce the ball back.
They bounce the ball by a blue boat on the water. The boy and the bluebird pop the big bright bubbles.
The busy, bubbly, beautiful day begins to become bedtime. Back in his bedroom, he finds his best friend, a brown bear. Before bed, he eats a bright, bendy, yummy banana.
B is for boy, balloon, bird, ball, book, bear, and bedtime. Bye-bye.